In my first video, I have discussed about the tricks of MCQ. Now, I am going to discuss the tricks of multiplication because our aim to reduce the time to solve the question. कैसे हम समय बचाएं, कैसे एक लिमिटेड टाइम में हम MCQ क्वेश्चंस ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सॉल्व कर सकें. तो आई एम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं ट्रिक्स ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन की ट्रिक्स या स्क्वायर की ट्रिक्स. तो फर्स्ट ट्रिक है हमारी द स्क्वायर ऑफ एंडिंग 5. स्क्वायर ऑफ एंडिंग 5. इज इट राइट? For example, we have to find square of 45. तो 5 का स्क्वायर क्या होता है बेटा? 25. Is it right? Now you multiply 4 with the next term, not this 5, with 5. How much? 20. So it will be 20. The square of 45 is 2025. Now second term I take. Suppose we have to find the square of 165. बड़ी टर्म ले लिया बेटा हमने. तो मेथड वही है, अप्रोच हमारी वही है और बहुत ही सिंपल. लास्ट 5 का स्क्वायर कर दीजिए आप 25. नाउ 16 इज द नेक्स्ट टर्म. 16. व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट टर्म नेक्स्ट टू 16? 17. मल्टीप्लाई 16 इंटू 17. 16 7 जा 112. 11 we carry 16 1 just 16 or 11 27. 16 into 17 is 272. You write here 272. So the multiplication square of 165 is 272 25. Now square any number. Square any number. For example, square of 67. Our aim to find the square of 67. So first you write the square of 7, 49. What is the square of 6? Square of 6 is 36. Now you multiply these three terms. 6 7 ja, then 2 ja. 6 7 ja 42, 42 2 ja 84. You add 84 just before last term. So 9 4 4 8 8 6 14 4 4 8 9 is the square of 67. 4 4 8 9 is the square of 67. In the same way, suppose we have to find the square of 122. The square of 2 is 4. So we never write 4. We write in two terms, two digits 0 4. What is the square of 12? 144. Is it right? Now you multiply 12. You consider one term. 12 2 ja 24, 24 2 ja 48. Add 48 after first term, just before the last term. Is it right? So what will be the result? 4 8 8 1 4. The square of 122 is 148 84. In this way we can find the square any number. Third trick is the terms, square of the terms which is close to the 50. Square of term which is close to the 50. First, close to 50. ठीक है बेटा. First in this case, lesser than 50. Lesser than 50. For example, we have to find the square of 48. 48 का मैं स्क्वायर निकालना है बेटा. ठीक है. You consider one term 25. Suppose we consider. So how much it lesser? 50 minus 48. The difference is 2 mark. The square of 2. What is the square of 2? 0 4. We always write in two digits. Then it is lesser than 2. You subtract 2 mark. 2 from 25. It is 23. Write 23 here. It is a square of 48. For example, now greater than 50. Greater than 50. For example, we have to do the square of 53. The approach is same. We consider number 25. What is the difference with 3? 50. What is the difference between 53 and 3? 3. The square of 3 is 9. Here 53 is 3 more than 50. So we add here 3. If it is lesser, then we subtract. If it is greater, we add it. 25 plus 3, 28. You write 28 here. The 2809 is the square of 53. Now, fourth trick is multiplication near 100. If suppose you have to multiply multiplication near 100, fourth trick. Suppose we have to multiply 103 into 106. The 3 and 6 we write separately, last digit, which is more than 100. The difference of 103 is 3 with 100. Difference of 106 with 100 is 6. You multiply these two. 6 3 ja 18. You write 18 here. Is it easy? Now you take a difference of you just add it. Difference, add it. 103 plus 6, how much? 109. Or either you take this one, 106 into plus 3, 109. You write 109. The multiplication of this 103 into 106 is 10918. Very easy, I just repeat. You write the difference with 100, 3 and 6. Multiply these two difference. 6 3 is 18. Is it okay? Now, you just you just add 106 with 3, 109. Either this one or this one. कोई सा भी एक add कर दीजिए. And then you write it here. Is it okay? Suppose we have to multiply 111 with 116. इससे multiply करना है बेटा. Is it right? So what is the difference? 11 and 16. Is it okay? You multiply it. 16 manja 16, carry 1, 16 manja 16 or 1, 176. But we can write only 2 digit. हम यहाँ 2 digit लिख सकते हैं ना बेटा? We write 2 digit 76. Is it clear? तो carry 1 को हमें carry करना है. Now again you add 111 with 16. How? Plus 1. Either this one or in this way. 116 plus 11 plus 1. कितना आएगा? 120 एक साथ 127, 128. Either you check here, you will get again 128. You write here 128. It is the multiplication of this. So first you write the difference, multiply this, write 2 digit only, 76, 1 carry. Now you add either 111 with 16 or 116 with 11. Then one is we are carrying, the one you also add it. Then you will get 128, you write in this way, you will get the multiplication of 103 and with 106. Next is multiplication lesser than 100. It is greater than 100 was now lesser than 100. Suppose we have to multiply 97 with 93. So what is the difference with 100? 3. Here is 7. So multiply again 7 3 ja 21. Now it is a lesser. So we subtract it. So if we subtract 93 with 3, how much? 90. 97 minus 7, 90. Write 90. Approach is same. If this term is greater than 100, you add it. If this term are lesser than 100, you subtract it. The multiplication of these two, 9021. These are the few tricks for multiplication. I think you can reduce the time to solve the question. Okay beta, bye.